The title of this book is Sebastian Gets the Hiccups. "Oh no," said Sebastian. "I've got the hiccups." "I've got the hiccups, Mom. What should I do?" "Hold your breath and count to 100, said Mom. So Sebastian tried holding his breath and counting to 100. "I've got the hiccups, Dad," said Sebastian. "I tried holding my breath and counting to 100, but I've still got the hiccups." "Drink from the wrong side of a glass," said Dad. So Sebastian tried drinking from the wrong side of the glass. "I've got the hiccups, Grandma," said Sebastian. "I tried holding my breath and counting to 100. I tried drinking water from the wrong side of a glass, but I've still got the hiccups." "Try blowing into a paper bag," said Grandma. So Sebastian tried blowing into a paper bag. "I've still got the hiccups, Mom," said Sebastian. "What can I do? I've already tried lots of things. I held my breath and counted to 100. I drank from the wrong side of a glass. I blew into a paper bag." "Try rubbing your tummy and patting your head at the same time," said Mom. So Sebastian tried. He patted and rubbed and patted and rubbed. Sebastian saw Grandpa. "You've got the hiccups," said Grandpa. "Try standing on your head. It always works for me." So Sebastian tried standing on his head. "What are you doing?" asked Isabella. "I'm standing on my head," said Sebastian. "I've got the hiccups. I've tried everything. I held my breath and counted to 100. I drank water from the wrong side of the glass. I blew into a paper bag. I even rubbed my tummy and patted my head. I'm going to have the hiccups forever." "Boo!" yelled Isabella. "What did you do that for?" Sebastian asked angrily. "You'll see," said Isabella. Sebastian waited. "I don't have the hiccups anymore," said Sebastian. "It worked." "But now I have them," groaned Isabella. "Oh."